Yeah. I like this class, I like this class.
It's okay.
Sorry. Okay, you realize that when you turn on the machine, there are some lights that are blinking, right? There are some lights that are blinking. Right? And it looks like a Christmas tree. Well, not exactly like a Christmas tree, but there are some lights that are blinking and you're wondering what are all these lights about. So I'm going to tell you what these lights are about. The first thing you see is that your DRO is blinking. And the brand of the DRO is Fagor. Okay? It's not faggot, it's not a T, it's a R. Fagor. Okay? So then what you do is you press enter, the blue button here, and you press clear. Okay? Then actually what happens is that when you press clear, you may see that the numbers are all scrambled. These numbers are all scrambled, and this one represents the x-axis, which is this. Where you see when I turn the x, right, when I do the crossfit, it goes, it starts to move. Okay, so moving in this direction is positive, moving in this direction is negative. Okay, it's negative. Then in the y direction, moving out is negative, moving in is positive. Okay, and then in the z direction, moving up, right, is positive and it's tiring, and then moving down is negative. And negative is just as tiring but slightly lesser. Okay, now this DRO is in millimeters. When you see 3 decimal points, it's in millimeters. If you accidentally press the 0, it will go to inches. Then it will mess you up because we are all in millimeters kind of world. Okay, so when you see the light of the inch light up, you are in the wrong world. So go back to your millimeter world and you press your inches, and then you go back 3 decimal space, you're okay. Okay, and don't mess around with the inches and double click it. The whole thing will hang. Right? Okay, the next thing I want to tell you is there will be some times where you want to accurately position your workpiece or your cutter. You make use of the digital readout and you can set it to 0. So what you do is you press X, 0, enter, then it goes to 0. Y, 0, enter. Z, 0, enter. Then when you move left and right, you see it will start to move accordingly. Okay, all right. Now let's other than playing this, the other thing. Okay, I'll go to the other thing next. So this is the digital readout, right? And what I want you to do is go back. When your machine is on, you'll be printing. You see the Fagor sign. Press the enter, clear, and then play around with this and get a feel of it. Thank you very much.